How to use PlayStation Share Play feature. To use the PlayStation's Share Play feature, first of all, you have to make sure that you have a strong 5 Mbps to 15 Mbps network speed as well as stable connection. And also make sure that the host has an active PlayStation Plus membership. Now you simply have to start a voice chat by pressing the PS button to open the control center and select the game base and choose a friend or group and click the start voice chat option. And inside the active voice chat window, select the share screen icon and click the start share play. Now you simply have to select the friend you want to invite from the voice room. Then choose your sharing mode, such as screen share, visitor plays as you, or play a game together option. Once you select this, you should be able to enjoy the share play on your PlayStation. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.